Hey, what's up you guys? My name's Lindsay and you're watching my channel ASightToSee, and for today's short little vlog I wanted to show you the two coolest stores at the premium outlets in Lake George.
Press this red button. I'm gonna count down from 3. When I say lift off, you're gonna press it.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, lift off. And there it goes, making its journey through space.
Oh my god, that is so fun.
And we have a safe return. We get it.
That is so great. Thank you. Oh my god.
And to finance the mission is 743.
Oh my gosh, guys, that was the cutest store ever here at the Lake George Outlet Mall. I bought a Bob Ross positive energy drink because I needed to know what that tastes like. So let's do that.
Oh, for the kid.
We can wait a second. Let's wait a second.
Okay, well, we'll get them in the other store.
Bob Ross energy drink. Wow, I'm just filled with positivity now, like I wasn't before.
Very positive.
Very positive. I'd say positivity tastes like blue raspberry, honestly. It's kind of blue. So I also bought this at that cute little candy store for my car. It says, "Let's go stargazing." Please don't hate me, Dad, for putting stickers on my car. Everyone has the same car and I can't tell that it's mine. Okay, so we have deemed that this is not a cheap outlet mall, at least cheap for me, because I like to buy things for like $5, not $40. So instead we're just gonna go to the other fun store here, which is the Pepper Palace, because this one really likes hot sauce and hot things. So had to check that out. So we got candy and peppers. Watermelon barbecue sauce.
I wasn't able to order it for this truck. Hopefully I can order it for the next, because obviously it's popular.
Yeah, I mean, it's the hottest sauce. So.
Do you want to try it?
You have it?
I have it for sample. Oh, damn. You're over 18, I'm assuming.
Yeah, where's the waiver? Sign my life right here.
She's all over this shit. Nice to you, it's not even a big glob.
Oh my god. Get close up of that. That's all I get.
Like, is there audio? Because I was nice to him. It's hot, but it has good flavor.
It has a nice flavor to it, actually.
So that's what you get in your eye, by the way.
That's with any hot sauce.
I honestly thought you had like one of those little nightsticks, because people are shitty.
Oh yeah, no, it's just a GoPro. It's also a tripod. That's why it's like weird and thick. Thank you guys so much for joining us today, and we will catch y'all on the next one.